Oh, okay, yeah, this top button. Oh yeah, Isaiah. Remember, even if it's winter, there are still snakes.
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, let's shut up about Fortnite. Let's talk about the rules.
What are you? What are you, a bot?
Shut up!
You're a bot? Stupid bot? Are we allowed to shoot the camera then?
Well, if you accidentally hit it, it doesn't matter. But you cannot just full auto my camera. I have a pistol.
Me too, because my mag is broken.
Oh, anyway, so you can use auto even if you're if your gun doesn't malfunctions, just put it on auto if you have the plastic. You can only use 3-shot bursts. You cannot just do 5-shot bursts or anything. Okay, so who wants to be a team captain? Because I sure am not. Okay, Will's gonna be a team captain. Who else is gonna be a team captain? Okay. Okay. Don't point your gun. Don't point your gun. It's gun with gun.
No, Josh should know. Josh should know.
No, I don't want to be.
Josh should know. Josh should know.
Oh, Josh should know.
No, I don't want to be.
It's okay.
Whoa.
Let's stick with this. Stop shooting, you imbecile. It's broken. Stop shooting. Stop. Stop. Oh. My fingers are so close. Why do I have 2 different gloves? Because of freaking Will. Are we ready? What type of a game plan do we have?
I think you said yes.
Charge right now.
Go!
Okay, they're ready.
Yeah, they're ready. Oh, shooting. Okay. There you go, he shot. Well, this is quite a... Why are you wasting your ammo? It's like Will and Noah, maybe.
Enemy spotted.
So guys, we did it. My GoPro decided to stop freaking working during the middle of the battle, so now I have to make an awkward cut and transition into...
Meanwhile.
What are you guys aiming at? Don't hit the power line, you...
Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, bingo.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I get
Subtle.
I think it's 4 people. Let's go.
Okay.
No,
How about this? We get the better side of the map, because are we agreeing that that's the better side? Okay. Come on, boys, let's go. Oh, shoot. Shoot, they're starting. got once on the chest. Are you out? Whoa, what the? My knife fell. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. Don't you love it when your mag just casually falls out, you're done? Yeah, no, you can. That's how it works. Well, either way, he still said bang bang when he saw you. So. What are you shooting at?
I'm now the parent.
Oh, no.
Someone's gun has too much FPS.
Will, stop wasting ammo.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Get on the outside? We can see them now. Oh!
Wait, stop.
What is happening? Hey, you cheater! Get him. They're stalling, that's what they were doing. I'm hitting the container to make them scared. Here, I'll give you cover, you run. Go girl. You made it through, be ready? How did I not get him? I'm so bad. That means they're going. There he is. He knows it's quite far reach. Oh, they're lower too. Hey, he's flanking! Help!
I am the Senate.
You're out, Joe!
Bruh.
I thought you were raising your arms because you thought you won.
It's hand.
any ammo?
Payson, I'm so sorry.
Dude, you already shot me in the leg once. You didn't have to shoot me 3 times.
No.
Okay, but that doesn't mean you can shield yourself with the gun. Don't do it. I'm getting my man.
I just shot one shot, I didn't know. He's still in. Payson, you're my protection.
No. Oh, did they kill all of us?
He's out. Is it over?
Yeah.
Oh, GG. Oh, Joe's still alive! Hey, let's rush him, let's rush him. Isaiah's out! I have to shoot you in the butt cheek for surrendering. Payson, me lighting you up is gonna be great footage. You got me once in the leg. You just had to give me one more time.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Wait, how do I stop the GoPro?
I know.
Payson, stop it.
No, that is not how you stop it.
Hello, Z-Booblies. Ugh. You look disgusting. What is that? You freaking see the pics? Ugh. Hey guys, it's PasonNugget here. Thank you for watching the entire video. You've made it to the end. I know what you're saying. Just shut up real quick. Alright, I get it. I haven't uploaded in like a year. I get that. Alright, just stop. I'm just starting to try to upload again. I'm really sorry for the long wait for those subscribers who actually committed and waited for me to upload. Because holy cow, I didn't realize I'd still be on 100. I thought I'd be all the way down at like 10 or something like that. Of course, that won't mean that this video will get any views. Please, if you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe right now because I'm planning on this year making a resolution and trying to upload more. Of course, this won't mean I will have consistent uploads. They'll be scattered all over the place, but I'll at least try. But the thing that I'm trying to do right now that I actually really enjoy, as you saw in this video, is I'm gonna try to make long and quality content instead of more just short videos that are still good, but like I'd rather make longer, more thorough edited videos. I am so sorry, I just had a Coke. I just want to improve on my skills, okay? And these types of videos I feel like help out. So I don't know, if you enjoyed this video, please tell me. I'm planning on making more gameplay videos and stuff like that. Maybe some CSGO with some friends. I don't know. I'm planning on doing a lot of things. I got a lot of new games. All right. I know I'm rambling. I have a problem with that, but I just wanted to just end the video here because I don't have an outro yet. So you're just gonna have to stick with my face with really bad music.
Ender dragon in my direction. Many XP is such a blessing, yeah. Use all the XP to enchant my armor, yeah. Oh, I try to sleep on the darkest day, but the mobs are in the way. Gotta kill them so I can go to bed.